Hi, this is Parul and I own Yoga Bliss SG based out of Singapore. I've been invited by kidsclass.sg to speak about the benefits of yoga for kids. If you're not aware, kidsclass.sg is a platform that brings enrichment class provider and parents together. Their website has got the largest collection of kids classes in Singapore. So if you are looking for kids classes for your kids, check them out. A brief intro about myself. I'm a yoga teacher and sound healer. I conduct yoga classes and workshops for kids, adults and families in Singapore, and I also host yoga retreats in India and Southeast Asia. I've been teaching yoga for 5+ years and I get great satisfaction by helping people achieve their health goals through yoga and, most important, spreading the love of yoga. The purpose of this video is to create awareness about kids yoga and sharing benefits of yoga for kids with the parents. The most common question which parents ask me is what is the right age to start yoga for kids? In my experience, if it is an unaccompanied class without parent, the right age to start yoga is around 3 to 5 years, because that's when kids start to take instructions more clearly. There is yoga for toddlers as well, and I encourage parents to participate with them, as they may not be ready to practice the poses for themselves, but they will have so much fun interacting and bonding with parents while they do it together. And there is no type of yoga that I would say is best suited for kids. So yoga is a personal practice and you move and breathe in a way you are comfortable with, and that's your yoga. So it's a union of movement and breathing, right? Most important is that it should include all elements of yoga, that is breathing, warm up, doing the yoga postures that helps you building strength, flexibility and balance, and ending your class with some relaxation. Of course, the way of communicating all these elements are different for kids. For kids, we want to make it more interactive, we want to make it more fun, be it online or outdoors, to engage kids through fun ways of breathing, to yoga postures, yoga stories, partner yoga postures, guided visualization and relaxation. And now coming to the most important part, benefits of starting yoga early. So if you observe, it's really hard to be kid today. Kids are loaded with so much information and so much distraction, like video games and your screens, and there's peer pressure, there's so much distraction. So kids need yoga as much as an adult do, in my view. There are so many benefits of yoga for kids. First and foremost, we are establishing healthy habits at an early age, because we all know that health is the most important thing for all of us. So through yoga, children learn to take care of themselves. Yoga can enhance kids' strength, flexibility, balance, coordination, focus, and concentration. It also helps them improve their posture. Good posture is so important in building self-confidence and has a great impact on how others perceive you. Bad posture, on the other hand, is plain unhealthy. It increases the stress on your joints, ligaments, bones, and muscles. Yoga also encourages self-awareness, self-esteem, self-love, and self-acceptance. Learned young, this incredibly valuable tool arms kids to fight off the increasing feeling of self-doubt in their teen years and beyond. And yoga can also reduce your child's anxiety and stress and promote a sense of calmness. A growing body of research has already shown that yoga can improve focus, memory, academic performance, self-esteem, and classroom behavior, and can even reduce anxiety and stress in children. To conclude, yoga is a low-cost, helpful tool that can have positive impact on children. It's great if they can unlock the gift of yoga at young age, can help them manage their day-to-day stress, their emotions, and many more benefits. So I hope this video was helpful for parents to understand the benefits of yoga for kids. I'm always very happy to share the joy of yoga. Yoga Bliss SG conducts both online and outdoor kids yoga classes. If you want to know more details about my classes, please feel free to contact me on my social media, Bliss Yoga SG for Instagram and Facebook both. I have an ongoing online kids yoga class every Saturday, 10:30 a.m. Singapore time. If you want to join them, just PM me on my social media account and I'm very happy to share the details with you. And thank you so much kidsclass.sg to invite me and let me share the benefits of yoga for kids. Thank you guys. See you around.